This is so good. This is such a good hack for good sound sleeping. I'm no doctor, but I do know that I sleep better when I have mouth tape. This is a mouth tape. It comes with 120 different little mouth tape X's like this. These are on sale right now in the TikTok shop for less than $2 for a 4-month supply. It's incredible. Go ahead and grab one below, but let me show you how they work. So some people go vertical with the X's. I like to go horizontal, and you're just gonna kind of stick your lips together. And as we all know, sleep is super important. Sweet dreams.